Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I hope you are doing well at your places. Today we are going to discuss a mathematical trick of simplification. For simplification, we have to use the trick BODMAS. What do you mean by BODMAS? In BODMAS, B stands for brackets, like capital bracket, curly bracket, small bracket. O stands for of or order, indices or exponent. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. In any simplification, if the first brackets are appear, then we can solve the bracket, then of, order, indices or exponents, that means the power of the number, then division, we have to divide. After division we have to solve the multiplication. After multiplication we solve addition, and at last subtraction. Now we can solve a numerical using this BODMAS. 6 plus 6 divide 6 plus 6 into 6 minus 6. In this expression we see there is no bracket. So in the next step we see of, there is no power, indices and exponent. So going to the next step, division. Yes, divisions are appear. So first of all we have to solve division. 6 plus 6 divide by 6, that means we can write 1 by 6, plus 6 into 6 minus 6. Now division is solved. The next is multiplication. So we have to solve the multiplication sign in the next expression. So 6 is cancelled by 6. So in the next step, 6 plus 1 plus 36 minus 6. 6 into 6 is 36. 6 into 1 by 6 is 1. In the next step, we have to add 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 36 is equal to 43 minus 6, which is equal to 37. The second, 27 divided by 3 bracket 5 minus 2. In this expression we see the bracket is appear, small bracket is appear. So first we have to solve the bracket. 27 divided by 3 into 5 minus 2 is 3, which is equal to 27 divided by 3 into 3. In this expression, multiplication and division both are appears. So first we have to solve the division. First we divide 27 by 3. That means 27 into 1 by 3 into 3, which is equal to 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Next expression, 9 minus 3 divided by 1 divided by 3 plus 1. In this expression, we see there is no bracket, no indices and powers. Division is appears. So first we have to solve the divisibility. 9 minus 3 into 1 by 1 into 1 by 3 plus 1. To convert the division into multiplication, the number is reversed. 1 is 1 by 1, 3 is 1 by 3. Multiplicative inverse. Now, multiplication sign is appear, so we have to solve the multiplication. 3 is cancelled by 3. So we have 9 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 9. The next, simplify 8 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2. In this expression, bracket, small bracket is appears. So first of all we have to solve the bracket. 8 divided by 2 into 4. 8 divided by 2 into 4. In this expression, multiplication and division both signs are appear. So first we have to solve division. So 8 divided by 2, that means 8 into 1 by 2. We have to write the multiplication inverse of 2 and change the sign divisible by multiplication into 4. 2 to the 4, which is equal to 8 into 2 is equal to 16. In some expressions, the bar is also included. A one more operation, bar. In this case, we have to use the trick V BODMAS. What do you mean by V BODMAS? We have to add one more word, V. V stands for Win column, bar, and B stands for brackets, O of order, indices, exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. What is the difference between BODMAS and VBODMAS? There is a small difference. In VBODMAS, we have to use the word V, vinculum, that means the expression in which bar is appear. Then in this case, first we have to solve the bar, and after that we have to use the trick BODMAS. That means after bar we have to solve bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. We will discuss a numerical based on VBODMAS. Simplify ten and 1 by 2 minus capital bracket 8 and 1 by 2 plus curly bracket 6 minus small bracket 7 minus 6 minus 4 bar, small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, capital bracket closed. Solve this expression. To solving these type of expression, our first step, we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. That means 10 and 1 by 2 is write as 10 into 2 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 2 minus capital bracket 8 and 1 by 2 is 17 divided by 2 plus curly bracket 6 minus small bracket 7 minus 6 minus 4 bar, small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, and capital bracket closed. Now we have to use the trick VBODMAS, because in this expression bar is appears. So first of all we have to use vinculum to solve vinculum, that means to solve bar, which is equal to 21 by 2 minus capital bracket 17 divided by 2 plus curly bracket 6 minus small bracket 7 minus 6 minus 4 bar. That means we have to solve 6 minus 4 is 2. Small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, and capital bracket closed. Now after bar, the next word is B, BODMAS B, B for bracket. So there are 3 brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, and capital bracket. So first we have to solve the small bracket, which is equal to 21 by 2 minus capital bracket 17 by 2 plus curly bracket 6 minus 7 minus 2 is 5, curly bracket closed, capital bracket closed, which is equal to 21 by 2 minus capital bracket 17 by 2 plus in curly bracket 6 minus 5, that means 1, which is equal to 21 by 2 minus, now we solve the capital bracket 17 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 19 by 2. Now at last we have to subtract these two numbers. 21 minus 19 divided by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Simplify 63 minus minus 3 curly bracket minus 2 minus 8 minus 3 bar curly bracket closed divided by 3 curly bracket start 5 plus minus 2 into minus 1 curly bracket closed. In this expression, the first bar is appear when Coulomb. So we have to solve this, which is equal to 63 minus minus 3 curly bracket minus 2 minus 8 minus 3 is 5. Divide by 3 curly bracket 5 plus minus 2 into minus 1 curly bracket closed. Now in the next step, brackets are appear, small bracket and curly brackets. So first we have to solve the small brackets. 63 minus minus 3, that means plus 3 curly bracket start, minus 2 minus 5 curly bracket closed, divide by 3 curly bracket start, 5 plus minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 curly bracket closed. Now in the next step we have to remove the curly bracket. 3 plus 3 into minus 7 divide by 3 into 7, which is equal to 63 minus 21 divide by 21. Now in the next step we have to solve the division. 63 minus 21 divided by 21 is 1. So 63 minus 1 is 62. I hope you enjoyed this class. We will discuss some more mathematical tricks on simplification in the next videos. So keep in touch, watch our videos and subscribe our channel for more videos on these topics. Thanks to all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.